Hi everybody, it's Miss Amy, and tonight I'm going to use the help of my little buddy Schubert here to talk about family jobs. Since a lot of us are home now more with our family and we're spending a lot of days together and a lot of evenings together, there's probably more dishes, more laundry, more meals being made at home. So Miss Amy just wanted to give you a couple little reminders. This is kind of like a school family job board that you may have in your classroom right now, but we can certainly bring one at home and call it an I did it chart or an I did it board. So Schubert has agreed to hold this marker in his mouth and help Miss Amy point to some of the things that we can do at home to help out our family while we're all home during this time. This one says safe keeper. I hope you can see that. That means that you make a commitment to your family to keep the home safe, and you help others around you to be a safe keeper as well. That's what that one looks like. And then also we have the goodbye wisher. That means if somebody is leaving in the morning to go to work or go to school or go somewhere, be sure that you blow them a kiss, make sure to tell them that you wish them well and you hope they have a great and a safe day. This one is the encourager. This is something we can all do, and it's so important for everyone to encourage our loved ones, our friends, and our family, to tell them when they're doing a good job, to say, keep up the good work, I'm proud of you, and to just be there to lend a helping hand or a little kind word if somebody needs it. This one is our problem solver. See how it's got a beautiful brain right there with a light bulb right over it? All of us can use our brains to help solve problems. And we have a bunch of books that we've read that are on the YouTube series too about solving problems and sharing and how we can use our brains to help us solve problems with other people. This one is the star helper. That's someone that sometimes just needs to remind everybody we can all stop, smile, take a deep breath, and relax. Schubert needs to do it sometimes. Miss Amy certainly needs to do it sometimes. It's great to be a star helper and to do things sometimes without even being asked. If you see that something needs to be done around the house, to do it. That's a wonderful thing you can do for your family to help out and show them that you care and you love them. This is the lunch helper. Now that everyone's home for lunch, a lot of times now, it's nice sometimes to help with making lunch or cleaning it up, and maybe going in the fridge and seeing what you want to eat ahead of time, just to help keep it a little bit more organized and moving along so everyone can stay on a schedule. This is table washer, very important. Cleaning the crumbs off the table, taking dishes to the sink, helping mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or whomever your caregiver is to clean the table off, throw away napkins, wash the dishes, put things away. Any little way that you can help is so great. And of course, pet caregiver. We all have our wonderful little pets at home, or a lot of us do. So don't forget that it can be your job too to help feed them, make sure they have enough water. If their bowl is getting low on food or water, just to remind the adults in the house, hey, I think they need some more food and water. So those are just a couple of the things that we talked about from the family job board today. It's the I can do it board. I know Schubert can do it. And Miss Amy knows you'll practice and you can do it as well. So I hope that's helpful. And until next time, we wish you well.